Ay mga followers, daw karon diri sa graduation sa kuanak ning atin ko kay ako ning giatinan ang diri sa Waterfront, Lahog, Cebu City ang ilang binyo sa University of Cebu. Mo ni yang ko nakuha yang diploma. Dayon padulong kami dito ani sa Waterfront Hotel. Kuyog nakuha ko ang asawa kamong tulo. Nya picture sa sila kuyog siyang amiga des kilid kay mao man ni ilahang iyang amiga gyud. So ako sulod karon nagpicture ko kay kami duha ni Mrs. para nindot po tanawon maka-picture taning Waterfront, Lahog, Cebu City. Muna siya muna yang mga picture nga naa karon. So kanin niyo makita nga video mo di pag-abot namo. Kung nakay may nagtaksi nya humanamo og kanaog ako nang gi-video ang kaning view gyud sa Waterfront, Lahog, Cebu City. Muna ilang binyo silang graduation. Grabe kanindot nang ilahang binyo nya pag naog pa lang ni mo daan nana diha tanan ang ato ang mo graduate. So pasulod mi namis may lobby karon nulod na mi kay amo ning gi tan-aw ning mo ang binyog asa dili napitang ilahang function room, ballroom kuno ni. So mao ni karon murag masaag tani kay pwede ning dakuan ning hotela diri sa Cebu City. So mo ni karon no ang ako ang inyong aktual nga video nga akong inyong gipakita mo ni kadako ang ilang lobby diha sa Waterfront, Lahog, Cebu City. Abi ka usa ni sa first class nga hotel diri sa Cebu City. Dako kay ni nga hotel. So mo ni ang lingkod mi diri kuyog niyang amiga. Ako siyang gi-video ang asawa niya, iyang mga classmate na last kilid. Kini naghana sila 1,000 plus ni ang mo graduate karong buntagan lain pa gyud ang hapon. So pasulod na mi dito gyud sa function room mo ni ang ilahang function room diri binyo ang ilahang graduation no. Mo ni inyong nakita nga grabe daghana mga estudyante pasulod na silang uban ang lingkod na. Kami sad ako sad pasulod sad mi ani. Naguna akong anak kay separate man ang parents ug lingkuranan. So na ako ron diri sa sulod na mi kuyog mi sa usawa kami duha. So grabe kanindot ning ilahang binyo. So mo ni picture pa din mi kay mo lagi kung tong picture ning ilahang binyo og kaning ilahang kuan welcome address then sunya ato din ning continue after ani ay mo na gid ang actual nga video right nang sugod na ang program.
The university officials. Chairman of the board and guests.
Lord 2025 in the presence of our candidates, faculty, alumni, parents of the graduates, and their friends. The second semester 2024-2025 commencement exercises of the University of Cebu is hereby officially declared in session. To all here present, we extend our most cordial welcome.
Bachelor of Physical Education, magna cum laude. Matos Sheril P., Bachelor of Physical Education, magna cum laude. Sumalpong Chili,
Karuska Andrea Marie,
Adornega Niña May,
Katipay Kristen May,
Aligato James Char,
Peruda Iris Jen,
Asentista Nicole G,
Kizon Julie Marie,
at Apilio Aji,
Kizon Karil Hill,
Auman Yuri,
Daitol Charlie May,
Escudero Christine,
Dalmani Resenda,
Estopa Emmanuel.
De La Rosa
Gentlemen, may we call on Mr. Luciano B. Lara III, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Major in English, Summa Cum Laude, for the words of appreciation on behalf of the graduates.
They always said, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. But what they don't tell you is that the light was never waiting. It was within you all along. To our very own University of Cebu's founder and chairman, Attorney Augusto Go, University of Cebu President, Ms. Candace Gochanoy, Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, Dr. Yolanda C. Saison.
With a sober sense of responsibility, I pledge myself to hold my diploma as a sacred trust, an emblem of my obligation to serve. I hold it with untarnished honor, in generous loyalty to my alma mater, and with fidelity to my country, my fellow men, and my God. Thank you, graduates. Values of the University of Cebu. Be innovative to be at par with the best. Have the commitment to be of service to others. Align yourselves with what is right, true, and just. Respect others and excel in whatever you do. In short, I care. Finally, graduates, do something remarkable for yourselves, your families, your communities, and your country. Thank you, God bless you, and once again, congratulations! this juncture, we will be having the photo opportunity. So we will start with the graduate school, the first two rows. And I request also Dr. Yolanda C. Saison, the Dean of the graduate school, to be with